Hi friends, till now we have seen many concepts regarding the images and containers. So in this video again I will show you one concept regarding the container, regarding the images. Okay, so let me check how many containers and how many images is running in my server. So for that, to check the images, already we know the command docker ps option is there, or docker container ps option is there. And to check the images, docker images command is there. So my when I run the docker ps, so two container is running in my server docker engine, and if I will go to the images, two images is present. So we have seen how can we remove the container. We have seen the command with the rm option we can remove the container. But remember, when we will remove any images, suppose this is Tomcat image and there is a container named this one C52855 which is running from this Tomcat image. So if I will try to remove this Tomcat image forcefully, then also I will not be able to remove this image, as I will get the error message that this image is running, this image is having some containers which is running in this server. So let me try to remove this image. So what is the command to remove the image of the docker? Docker rmi tomcat. So this is the command. So when I run, see what they are given. Response from daemon. Unable to remove repository reference tomcat. Container, this one they have given the container id. So container id is using its referenced image, means they have said that this is the referenced image and this container id is using this image. So we can't remove this image directly. Either you can do the forcefully, or you can you need to stop this container and then remove. See, if I will proceed with the forcefully also, then it will not remove the container, then also it will not remove the images. What it will do, it will just only untag it. So see, here I am running docker images. So what I am able to view that again, no, there is no difference in the container, no difference in the images, both are same. So now what I will do, I will insert -f, means I will try to remove it forcefully. So in this case, what will happen? It will only untag the tomcat, means the tomcat, when we have pulled the tomcat images, what the docker did, they have given it the unique image id along with the tagging. They did the tagging, and the tagging id is latest. Whenever we don't specify any particular tagging id, by default docker is going to take it as latest. So what we will look over here, if I will run this -f command, so means if we will try to remove this image forcefully, then in that case what will happen, docker will only untag this image. So let me run this command. See, I am running this command. So what happened? Untagged happened. Tomcat has been untagged as the latest. If again I will run docker images, see, still the image id is there, the same images is there, but it has been untagged, means now we can't use this image to create any new container. To create any new container, we have to docker will pull again some new images. Okay, so how can I remove this image? So there is only and only one process to remove the image. First I have to stop, or I have to kill all the containers which is running or which is using this image id. So see, simply I am getting which container is using the image id. Already they have given that there is a one container which is using this image id. Either you should stop this container, or you should remove this container, and then after that try to kill this image. So now what I will do, I will remove this container, and after that when I will try to remove this image, that time image will be successfully removed. So before that, let me try one command, Docker. See what I am doing. What I did, see, this is the most important concept. I ran the command docker run -itd-p concept tomcat. So what this command does? This command finds the tomcat images from the Docker hub and it just creates a Docker container. So if we will see 27 seconds ago one Docker container was created. So there should one question come in the mind that already if this tomcat was untagged, then why a Docker didn't pull the different images? Why Docker modified or tagged the same image again? See, if you will see the image ID, there is no difference between the image ID. The image ID is same. Only what happened? Again Docker tagged this tomcat before it was untagged. When we run this tomcat container, what we get? That first we get that, and see, try to read the message here. First we got the message that Docker is not able to find the tomcat latest image. What it means that it should pull the image from the Docker hub. Okay, so it means Docker has given his power or redirected the Docker to go and pull the image from the Docker hub. So it went and started pulling the images from the Docker hub. Now the digest here comes into the figure, which I will explain in the next or upcoming videos. What is the layers and what is the digest? Due to this layer only, Docker is not installing any new tomcat image. Docker is using the same image and they are just tagging that image back. Got it? See, in the status also we are able to see that downloaded newer image. Means what the Docker is popping up the message that you are ready to use the tomcat image as tomcat image has been downloaded. But yeah, it is very right that again this tomcat has been downloaded, but the concept here is very different. Means already the tomcat was there in the server in Docker engine. Docker haven't pulled all the layers. See, all the images is defined into the multiple layers. This layer concept I will share you in upcoming videos. There you will be crystal clear that what the thing is happening over here. So what, just notice here that when we run again pulled the Docker tomcat images after untagging also, Docker haven't created any new image, and on top of that only Docker has just tagged this one. In the first step they untagged, in the second step they tagged. Okay, so let me clear my screen. See, now what I want to show you that I will try to remove that tomcat image. Docker RMI tomcat. Okay, see now what error I am getting. It unable to remove the repository. Again they are giving the container ID, that this container ID is using this image. So please, you should remove this container before removing this container ID. So what I will do, I will just kill this container. Docker so see, now container is not anymore in the use. So now if I will use the same command, again I am getting the error. Now this I want to show you that, one second, Docker ps-a, see, still the container is there, but it is in the stopped status. So what the Docker is saying that, yeah, Docker is saying that image means the image has been referenced with the container. They are not saying that container is in the up state or down state, but what they are saying that already we have assigned one port to this container, and this container is using this image. So either you kill the image or remove that container, after that try to remove this image, or just remove the image forcefully. So if we will remove the image forcefully, then also we will not be able to remove it totally. Only the untagging will be done. So to remove any image completely, first we need to remove this container. Docker rm not f is not required. So see, this time I have removed this image. So this image is not there. Now notice that what message we get when we remove the Tomcat image. Again I am running this command. See, again I am getting the error. Now what error is? Now it is showing one more container is there, which is named this one, which we powered on, or which we run just 2 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago. So it is, we are getting the message that one more container is there, which is using the Tomcat image. So again we need to remove this image, this container, to remove this image, Tomcat image. So what we will do, so first I need to remove this container. So what is the command to remove this container? Docker rm-f container id. So what happened? Docker container has been, now see, we don't have any container, which is referenced with the Tomcat. So if I see the image of Tomcat, this Tomcat image is not referenced to any of the container. So now I can easily remove this images, Docker rmi and image name. So now if I will run the command, it will show that error. See, and the first part is always untagging. Untagging is done. After that, deletion is also done. These all are the layers. As you are seeing that they have deleted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. They have removed 11 files, 11 layers they have removed. So this layer concept I will say in other video, upcoming video. There you will understand full concept that why it is happening, that when we run the Tomcat image in the last time, then the Docker haven't created any new Tomcat image, and instead of that untagged one they again tagged. So what is the concept behind that? So that I will discuss in the upcoming video. So this video, I think it is, you are clear for this. So now again let me check. Now you are not able to see Tomcat image anymore. So Tomcat image has been totally removed from your Docker engine. So this is the concept of removing any images from your Docker engine. Okay. So I think this Docker image concept is very clear for you. Now let me show you one more thing. Search keyword. Now see, as I have discussed in my previous video about the Docker Hub, what the Docker Hub is. Actually, Docker Hub is the public repository where we can also store, or any of the company can also store their official images to that Docker Hub repository. Only the thing is that Docker Hub repository is public repository. Anyone and from anywhere in the world can pull that images from the Docker Hub. So again I am showing you what the Docker Hub is and how can we pull the images. Okay. So as I already had logged in earlier in the Docker Hub, so I haven't asked me to log in again. So let me search here for the Tomcat. I can search for any of the packages any of the images which I want to install. So see, I search for the Tomcat. So what message I am getting over here? See, few things are important here to notice, which I am highlighting. The first is the official image. The Tomcat which we have searched, Tomcat company themselves has uploaded their official image into this Docker Hub website. So and see, one message we are able to see updated 17 minutes ago. What does it mean? It means that this Tomcat image was updated just 17 minutes ago. They have just modified something into this Tomcat. Okay. So, and this download 10 million means this more than 10 million user has downloaded or has pulled these images from the Docker Hub. And this Docker Tomcat image is having 2.4 star rating. Okay. 2.4 means more than 2400 user has rated or has given the rating to this Tomcat image. So this is what does it mean. So wherever you will find the official tag, means the company themselves is just putting their images into the Docker Hub. And only the two names we got as the official image. One is Tomcat and other is Tommy. Tommy is also a subtype of the Tomcat images. This is also used as a Apache for the Apache product. So this Tomcat and Tommy, and see, apart from that, we are also able to view many Tomcat packages is there, but official tag has not been attached with any of the images. So what Docker Hub suggests that please go with the official image if you are going to pull any package, or otherwise if you will go with any other, you are free hand, you can go with you can pull any of the images, but Docker Hub or Docker will not be responsible if any viral attack occurs in your system when you pulls any other images or any unofficial images. So Docker always suggests that please go with the official image. So you can see many user has uploaded their image. So suppose this we got the list of the images from the Docker Hub, but I don't want to come to the Docker Hub. I just want to list out all the images naming with the Tomcat from my command line now, command prompt terminal only. So how will I get? I will use search command. Docker search and the image name, whatever image you want to search. So see what message I am getting. In the official tag, I am getting this two message, Tomcat and Tommy. We were able to view this Tomcat and Tommy over here as well. So these two are official. Apart from this, other are also suggested you can download, but you at your own risk. Docker will not be responsible if any viral attack occurs. So that is what Docker says. So the Docker makes a differentiate between the official image and unofficial image of every product, so that a user can identify that which is the official image and on which product they can trust. So this is what Docker search says. Means with the Docker search we can search for, see, I want to search for CentOS. CentOS is also operating system. Sorry, I given CentOS name. CentOS. So see, Docker has given that one official image with the name of the CentOS is there, and see what the message is. The official build of CentOS. The official build of CentOS is there, which has been uploaded by CentOS website, CentOS itself. So, and remaining more multiple images are there. You can install any of the images. But what the thing is, only you will be responsible if any viral attacks occurs in other images. So, because all the other images has been pushed into the Docker Hub by any user. You see, we can also push, we can, in the upcoming videos, I will show you how can we create our own image and how can we push our own image to the Docker Hub. And once we push our Docker image to the Docker Hub, any user from the world, from anywhere and from anywhere in the world can pull this Docker image. So I think in this video we have covered two things. One is how can we remove the Docker images, and the second is what is the search and how can we search for any of the image which is available in our Docker Hub. So I think this is sufficient in this video. Now in the upcoming videos we will look into how can we create our customized image. Now, how can we customize any image? And suppose I want Tomcat to be installed on top of RHEL, Red Hat Linux. So how can I do that? So we will look into that in the upcoming or next videos. So for this video, this is sufficient. And again, I am requesting you all, I have prepared whatever I am discussing over here. I prepared a separate documents for everything, which I am going to upload in the Facebook page of Devops G. So I am requesting all the viewers, please, if you do the practical as well along with the watching with the video. Watching only viewing the video is not going to help you. Do the practical as well along parallelly. And if you want to download or if you want to get this document or notes, you can visit my Facebook group page Devops G, where I will be uploading all the notes and all the contents over there. You can just easily pull it or download it from there and you can learn and you can do the practice. So for this video, this is sufficient. Bye bye. We will catch up in the next video. Bye bye.